Welcome to the PeopleSoft Inventory MSR Processing video tutorial. In order to proceed, we recommend that you have previously viewed PeopleSoft System Overview tutorial. You should have a copy of the PeopleSoft Inventory MSR Processing Training Manual handy for referral and making notes. Course Objectives. This course provides a brief coverage of inventory or material stock request, MSR, processing and structure, as well as creating and submitting MSRs for approval. Upon completion of this course, participants will understand the MSR process and structure, be able to create an MSR to request warehouse stock items, be able to make changes to the account string at the individual line level, and be able to print and send an MSR for approval online. Creating Material Stock Request, MSR. In PeopleSoft Inventory, a material stock request is created to request warehouse stock items. The MSR is entered using only one primary panel. The Easy panel allows for the entries of a header, distribution, and line item information. After successful entry, the panel is saved and a system-generated number is assigned to the MSR. The MSR document number begins with the letter W and is followed by 9 digits. Here is a navigation to the Material Stock Request Easy Issue panel. Now let's go to PeopleSoft so we can create an MSR. Go, Fulfill Stock Orders, Use To, Material Stock Request, Easy Issue, Add. Now click OK. The Easy Issue panel has 3 sections: Header Shipping Information, Distribution Information, and Line Item Details. Let's go into more detail for each section. In the Header Shipping Information, the business unit defaults to 10199, which is LACOE Business Unit. The order number or MSR ID of Next will be displayed. A new number will be assigned once the panel is saved. The MSR ID starts with the letter W followed by the number assigned by PeopleSoft. Status is the status of the MSR. In the initial stage of creating, the MSR status will be blank. After saving the MSR, the status will display pending approval. The name field is defaulted to the requester's name. The location code field is defaulted from the requester's PeopleSoft profile. Ship Cost field is defaulted based on the location code. This is the delivery address of the requester. Location code can be changed by clicking on the drop-down arrow. Please note, changing the location code will also change the ship cost. The schedule date is defaulted to the date the MSR was created plus 3 lead days, excluding weekend days. For example, if the MSR was created on Monday, the schedule date will be Thursday of the same week. The Cancel Backorder box is unchecked and grayed out to prevent the cancellation of the backorder function. Initially, the total amount field is blank. The cumulative amount of the MSR will display when the line item details are entered. The account string entered in the Distribution Information section will automatically be captured in all the lines entered in the Line Items Details section. Please note that the budget period defaults to the current budget period. No action is required. If the MSR will be charged to multiple accounts, the split funding box should be checked, and the appropriate distribution should be entered in the comment area for line 1 only. When checked, a warning prompt will appear reminding you to enter multiple accounts in the comment field. The comment button is available in the Line Items Details section. In the example shown, the account distribution is split 50-50. In the Line Item Details, each line of the MSR represents a warehouse stock item that the user plans to order. To order a warehouse item, click on the drop-down arrow in the Item ID field. You can also double-click on it or press the F4 function key on your keyboard. Select the appropriate item and click OK. Press the Tab key to move to the quantity requested field. Please take note that the associated unit of measure, quantity available, and the unit price are automatically populated after this action. In the quantity requested field, enter the quantity needed, then tab to display the total amount for that line. After entering line 1, it is strongly recommended that the MSR be saved to ensure that the data entered is validated, including the account string and the fund's availability. When saved, the order number will change from next to the system-generated order number, and the status subsequently updates to pending approval. To enter additional line items, place the cursor in any field on line 1 and press the F7 function key. You can also click on the Insert Row icon found in the menu toolbar. To delete a line, press the F8 function key or click on the Delete Row icon. To charge a specific line to a different account, click on the Override Chart Fields icon to bring up the associated panel where the change can be made. If an invalid account is entered, a warning will appear when the MSR is saved. Make the appropriate correction through the Override Chart Fields icon. If the quantity entered exceeds the available quantity on hand, a warning message, "Insufficient quantity available," will display. In this case, the system will ship the available quantity to the requester, while the remaining balance shall be automatically placed on backorder. The backorder quantity shall be shipped when it has been filled. Hence, no further action is required on this line. Please ensure that the MSR is saved before performing any processing functions. In printing MSRs, click the printer icon. A message will appear notifying that the MSR is being forwarded to Adobe Acrobat for printing. Click OK, and a copy of the MSR will display. A copy of this can be printed through the local printer or saved in a folder. After printing or saving your MSR, close the PDF copy to go back to the PeopleSoft Easy Issue panel. To submit the MSR for approval, click on the Send for Approval button. In the MSR approval message prompt, click Yes to confirm. Please take note that the workflow will determine the appropriate approvals required based on the procurement approval matrix. Once it is sent for approval, the MSR approval panel group will appear. This panel group has the MSR details and the approval history panels. Click the Approval History tab to view the approval status. Congratulations! You have just completed creating and processing an MSR. In addition to this video tutorial, the PeopleSoft Inventory Processing Manual is also available in the Internal System Support website. Here is a link to the website. Online video training on PeopleSoft and other related subjects are available on the ISS Video Tutorials website. Here is the link to the website. ISS also offers classroom-based training for PeopleSoft and other related subjects. To view the schedule and register online for these classes, visit the ISS website and go to the class registration section. Here is the link to the website. Should you have any questions or concerns, please email Internal System Support at lacoe.edu. Thank you for watching.